everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back with another Kill a Kit project. So I was working with the Lori Whitlock, I forget the name of it. They all have like sunshine in it. I think it's Sunshine, might be the name of it. Paper pack from Echo Park. So my first project that I made, this was for the Girls Just Want to Have Sun collab. And I had made this really cute little scrapbook. And then I had made these cards for the third week of the collab. I had made this card set and then these cards using papers and stickers from that collection. And so I've got another project using up the collection as well. So I've got this card right here, and I'm using the Ulta New little fireworks stamp set that was free with purchase. And all I did was just use some stickles. Kept that one really simple. And then I used the cloud paper and some stickles on this with some stickers from the sticker sheet. And this one I did a mermaid themed card. You are mermazing. This is an Avery L mermaid stamp. This is from the sticker sheet. And this is paper from the pack. And then I just added some various gems on there. Look like bubbles. And then this one, so one of the things I did also was I made some flowers. This flower is from, what is this? This is Maggie Holmes. And I've had this for a while. It's all like falling apart here. It's Maggie Holmes. And it's like all over the place. That's why I have it in this little bag, because it's just flopping out wherever. Love that. So I had made this flower. So this is a stamp from La La Land. And let's see here. I wanted to pop this up, and I wanted to find my foam tape, but I don't know where it is. It's getting small, so it's harder to find. When it was like big and fat, because I bought the big roll, it was easy to find, but now that I've been using it up, it's like harder and harder to find. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the foam dots off. And let me just get these foam dots off. They can sometimes be a pain in the behind. But yeah, I colored it with my Copics and used a bunch of paper from the collection to kind of layer that up. And then I had a lot of paper left, but like not enough for the front of a card. So I made some of these flowers, which I'm going to be using on another project as well. And there's the flower. So here's this card. And this is from the ephemera. And then this, I used my new CC Designs stamp, and I stamped these little guys right here, colored them in with my Copics, a paper piece of surfboard. This is a sun stamp that's from the Planet set from Lawn Fawn. I just stamped it on the yellow daisy paper from the collection. This is, I just cut this out of one of the papers. It's just there. I used some of the flowers. This I just cut out from one of the cut aparts and just made a cute little card. And then the last card that I'm going to share with you guys is also a new stamp set that I got from your Next Stamp. It's this cute little house. And because I had this cloud paper and I just made a little scene, colored it with my Copics. I did a little bit of stickling and then just put a new home. And then I've got this card right here. So I've got these cards. And I've got one more project that I'm going to share. I think I'm going to make a tag with what's left. And there you go right here. And so thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.